Today, let's talk about the question: add two numbers. Actually, I don't think this question the difficult is medium. I think this one is the easy one. That one, they give you two lists, so it's a linked list. So they already give you the definition for each node. This list represents the big integer. So, for example, this represents 342. This list represents 465. So, if human want to add two integers together, we should start from the lower digit. So 2 plus 5 is 7, and 4 plus 6 is 10. So we only keep the 0 and move 1 here. 3 plus 4 and plus 1 is 8. So just follow how human do the adding to implement the code. Okay, let's start coding. So we have two lists, right? So the main one will be the while loop, right? We will reuse these two variables, L1 and L2. So L1 is not equal now, or L2 is not equal now. We will continue looping until both one go to the now. So it means you reach the end of the list. They require the return also is a linked list. So in the beginning is now. And here, so when 4 plus 6, we get 10, but it's more than 10, so the float one will go to next calculating. So we need some over flag to identify the situation. So in the beginning, it will be the 0. Then we need to get the real integer value from the node. So v1 to 0, v2 to 0, right? So if L1 is not now, v1 will get the value from the node L1, and L1 will move to the next one. Same thing for L2. V2 equal L2 value, and L2 go to the next one. Okay. So then we have the new value. So new value will be v1 plus v2 plus the over flag. Okay. In the beginning, that's 0, right? Okay. If new value is more and equal 10, okay, so new value will minus 10, and over flag will become 1. Otherwise, over flag will be 0. Okay, so where we should save the result? We have the return one. Return one should be the return linked list first node. So we also need some node to save the current result. Okay. Now we already have the value. We need to create this node. So if current this is a noun. So current will get to the definition, and if not, okay, current. Okay, in here, because it's the first time, we need to let the return root list node assign that one to this one. So here, okay, so next will be the new list node, right? And then current will become his next, right? Okay. Oh, so when we do that one, we also quick assign the value to it. So the value is a new one, so it'll be here and here, because they have this constructor function here. Okay. Okay. So after loop finish, if the over flag still have the value, how we can handle it? So we need to handle this situation. So over flag big than 0. Oh, we will create this one, right? And the value will be the 1. Yeah. So here, I think we are done. So let us to use this example to verify result. So first loop is here. So 2, get 2, get 5, 7, come here, create first one. Okay. The return will be here. So we try. Okay. Here. We did not return result. Cool. Let's submit. Okay. Run faster. And let's conclude what is time complex and space complex. So the time complex. So here the loop, we loop both. So it's a big O of max M and N. M is the list of 1's length, N is the list 2's length, right? And then the space. Space is big O. I think still is a max M and N, right? Longest one. So the result is close set to that one. Yeah, that is a final result for this question.